Alright, Captain.
Please, for this round, pay close attention to who you're shooting at. Please do not shoot us. We might shoot back.
Johnny.
Alright, let's head out. Red, you're going to headquarters yellow bus stop. Red, headquarters yellow bus stop. Let's head out. Team deathmatch, round 2. Let's go.
I don't want to be on the other side of the tee this time. Well, I like being on the side of my friends, you know. I hate trying to shoot at my friends.
Alright, Johnny.
Just have inner conflict.
What?
Lead the way, I'll be right behind you.
Roll up at us.
Wow! You remember that revolver? I just lose my tape, my glove box.
Thanks.
Beretta or Eagle?
Huh? Beretta for now. It's inside only, I don't trust it.
You don't trust the firepower of the Desert Eagle?
I trust the firepower, I don't trust it going to full auto on me.
Oh, it always got the riot shield.
I don't like getting shot in the face, it pisses me off.
It's about to fall out every dozen shots or so. 4 to 5.
No.
Semi. I don't like the water. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Johnny, let's make cha-cha tra-la-la. Tra-la-la. Maybe.
There's no legal kick this time.
Huh?
There's no legal kick this time.
Weedle.
Want to rush up as far as you can. Now the band you to get the field.
I'm just gonna kind of go in the middle. I like to do my own thing. It's called piss people off.
He does piss people off a lot.
I know. Don't worry, I'll get it this time. Let me see your nipple.
No.
Just touch it, it just grazes across both. Just the tip of the nipple.
Johnny, you like that?
No.
Huh? You like that?
No.
Wait, I got this.
No.
Somebody vaping in here?
Probably.
Yes.
I was told we can't vape in here. Well, none of my stuff. What are you doing, Jake? Oh. Spin up on that! Come on! Move in! Oi, friendly. Okay, so he just wasn't calling it. Twelve o'clock. Fire station! Fire station! You having fun with that? Oh, hey. Oh. Oh, come on. Oh, God, that sucks.
Sorry, man.
What?
I said sorry, man.
For what?
You shoot me.
Pardon me?
Come on, guys. You can take it. Come on.
Come on, guys, move up. You're not doing anything back here. Boy, Jake.
Let's go. We push him back. Let's go.
Go, 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 go. Move up. About time somebody calls grenade.
We got a cheater in here.
Yeah, I know, the gray hoodie.
Yeah, let's go get him.
Yeah, I know, I pegged him 4 times and he's just like, oh, I'll sit here. Got him.
Yeah. Going.
Contact on left. He's in mid, 2 window. Woo! Oh no. Are you good? Ah, hit. Nice. Dead man coming out. Ah, dead man. What are you guys doing? Come on, clear a hole.
You're out too. Go back to spawn.
Dead man. Excuse me. Come on, he's right here. Go, take the corner, take the corner. Keep pushing up. Oh, nice.